So we just got this installed about a week ago. It was really, really easy to install. We love it. It changes the entire feel of this room. And it's really cool because you can actually change the colors. It doesn't have to be purple, although I love purple and pink. You could actually change it to the more classic colors, so orange. And then you can change the color of the rocks, red, orange, blue. I like this. I think it's really classic. So we use this one a lot, but there is heat. If you wanted to use heat, you can actually make it brighter or you can dim it. So overall, A+ all around, easy to install. It makes everything so cozy, especially around Christmas time. So I'm really, really happy with this.